Modern manufacturers are downsizing engines but promising the same power by adding turbochargers. What they don't tell you is that your driving habits are engineering a $3,500 failure before the car hits 50,000 miles. Why do these precisely engineered components turn into money pits? Today, we perform a complete forensic audit on the evidence that dealerships are hiding. Stay investigative, because by the end, we give you the $0 habit that stops the destruction. Point 1. Carbon coating on the turbo shaft. This is absolute evidence of microscopic sandpaper. When you shut off a hot engine immediately, the oil cooks, turning this precision shaft into a weapon that grinds down the bearings. Point 2. The critical cool-down protocol. This simple habit is the difference between life and death for your turbo. Letting your car idle for 60 seconds after a hard drive allows the oil to carry the heat away, preventing the destruction seen in point 1. Point 3. 1500 degrees Fahrenheit of thermal breakdown. This isn't theoretical heat. It's operational reality. At these temperatures, conventional oil completely fails. If you cut the oil flow now, you are instant mechanical suicide. Point 4. Compressor blade erosion. This turbine is spinning at 200,000 RPM when you use cheap, poor quality air filters. Dust particles hit these delicate blades like microscopic bullets, creating a high-pitched whine that signals imminent financial ruin. Point 5. The 5 critical failures. Our forensic audit connects these distinct engineering paths to one source: operational neglect. We are now halfway through the evidence pathway leading to total destruction. Point 6. Clean synthetic versus burnt oil. This is viscosity breakdown. When your oil becomes contaminated with carbon sludge, its lubricating properties vanish. Without perfect oil film, your turbocharger cartridge seizes in milliseconds. Point 7. The financial audit. A $0 preventative cool-down habit versus a $3,500 catastrophic replacement cost. The math is chillingly simple. One costs you time, the other costs you a fortune. Point 8. The forensic maintenance standard. This checklist is your ultimate defense against small engine big power marketing traps. Check for boost leaks, use high-quality filters, monitor pressure, and always practice the protocol. Turbos are high-precision engineering marvels, but they are unforgiving. Their destruction is never sudden, it is engineered by your habits. The $0 solution is the 60-second idle. Before you shut down the engine, practice the cool-down protocol, preserve your cash, protect your engine, and always stay investigative. Thank you for watching AutoSight-G.